Before we begin, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, thank you.
Credits to Max Defense Philippines. Bell AH-1S Cobra attack helicopters. The Philippine Air Force has confirmed, through the report of Inquirer.net, that its two Bell AH-1S Cobra attack helicopters are configured to fire the American TOW missile launchers and the Israeli Spike NLOS anti-tank missiles. The point that these Cobra attack helicopters can use Spike NLOS only confirms that the units acquired by the PAF from Jordan are indeed ex-Israeli Air Force AH-1S Tzefas. This is because only Israeli Cobra, Tzefa attack helicopters are configured to fire the Spike NLOS. Even American-sourced Cobras will need to undergo modifications to have this capability. While TOW missiles can be negotiation with the US since they have thousands in stock, the Spike NLOS is a new missile and can only be acquired by buying them from Israel. The Philippine Navy has them but not a lot. Spyder Air Defense System. New at Max Philippines blogs, the Philippine Air Force is scheduled to start receiving its Spyder Air Defense System from 2021. This was ordered under the Ground-Based Air Defense System (GBADS) acquisition project as part of the Horizon 2 phase of the revised AFP modernization program. There is some bad news though, although we hope the PAF could mitigate in the future. Light tank acquisition. This is the Elbit Sabra light tank, which are based on the GDELS ASCOD-2 tracked and Excalibur Army PANDUR 2-wheeled armored vehicles. Both vehicles were offered by Elbit Systems for the Philippine Army's light tank acquisition project. Both vehicles are competing against the combination of Hanfa Systems K-21-105 and Otokar Armor 105 light tanks, and Pindad Harimau light tank. We will see Philippine Army will choose.
See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, thank you.